I recently gave birth and today I will be sharing with you the Nurturing Beginnings Maternity Package we have availed in St. Luke's Global City. If you're planning to give birth at St. Luke's, this might help you decide because ang daming helpful inclusions for moms and babies. These are the package rates. For normal delivery, it's 79,200 pesos, and for cesarean delivery, it's 102,300 pesos. First, let's talk about the essential freebies. You get newborn wardrobe, bath essentials, diaper changing essentials, and even breastfeeding essentials. May kasama ring a celebratory meal. And honestly, madami pang inclusions, just read the details here. Take note lang, these perks are applicable for patients with private room and up accommodations. Also, professional fees are not yet included and there's a possibility na ma-void yung package in certain cases like preterm delivery, maternal or fetal complications, or if you have availed a normal delivery package but ended up with an emergency cesarean. So, important talaga to read the package guidelines, to inquire directly with St. Luke's and consult your doctor. Their promo runs from February 1, 2026 to December 31, 2026. Naghanap lang ako ng time para mag-vlog at mag-open ng St. Luke's Maternity Package. First is the St. Luke's Swaddle or Receiving Blanket. Next is the St. Patrick's 0 to 3 months tie-on for newborn, pair of booties, hat. Meron din yung kasamang mitten, admission kit. Hindi namin ito nagamit. Pero let's see ano nasa loob. This is for mommy, conditioner bar, shampoo bar, soap bar, dental kit, bimpo, and comb. This is the package. Congratulations on your bundle of joy. Tingnan natin yung laman. Rascal's Newborn Tape Diapers. Tiny Buds Mosquito Stick-Ons. Tiny Buds After Bites. Dove Body Wash. Neofresh Baby Dry Wipes. Disposable Breast Pads. Rascal's Wet Wipes. Mami Poco Cotton Balls. Tiny Buds Nappy Cream, Tiny Buds Baby Bath, Aveeno Lotion, Aveeno Bath and Body Wash, Nursing Kit Sampler Set, may 2 breast pads and 2 breast milk bags. Chico Body Lotion, dalawa. Organic Baby Wipes, maliit lang. Another Baby Wipes ng Neofresh. Nature to Nurture Shampoo and Body Wash, Oral Cleaner Sticks, Nature to Nurture Laundry Powder, Training Toothpaste, ang cute nito, maliit, for 3 to 24 months. Oh, nice. Para pala to sa breastfeeding. Ganyan. Meron din siyang material dito na magbebenta ganun. The Mama discount card, expiry niya is December 2026. Basket, palanggana, 3 unan, water pitcher, ayan yung mga usual na libre. Stroller. Yung Joey Muse Baby Stroller and Joey Juva Baby Carrier. Partner sila. The portable crib. It's the Joey Allura Baby Crib or Travel Cot. Kasama rin sa package ang 3-course celebratory meal. Papipiliin ka from 3 sets. Set A yung steak with buttered vegetables and mashed potato pumpkin soup. Set B would be the big parmesan crusted salmon steak, clam chowder soup. And set C ay yung Iberian chicken mushroom soup and cake of the day. Siyempre, ang pinili ko ay yung steak. Day 4 or day 3 ko na to na-order. Kasi no first few days ay malalambot lang and soup ang kinain ko. Hello, ito yung... Ay, may umiyak. Ito yung celebratory meal dito sa St. Luke's. Ang pinili ko ay yung steak. Very tender and juicy. Tender juicy. Maalat din. Seasoned well. Sarap. Parang Fridays. We're about to be discharged here sa hospital. Hindi yung bill namin umabot ng Thank you, Lord, for the provision. At dahil dyan, ay bago kami umuwi, sinulit namin ang discharge lounge sa lobby ng St. Luke's. May pamerienda. Ayan, kinain namin lahat ng pwedeng kainin. Sayang walang pansit. And that's it for our vlog today. Thank you for watching!